Jonny, and this is Pencil Pencil, and today we're going to draw a tortoise. We're going to show you how to draw this, and then we're going to bring it to life like this. Wow! What time is it?
It's morning time!
To draw our tortoise, I'm going to use the colour green. We'll start by drawing a curved line. This is going to be our tortoise's shell. You ready? Here we go. We're going to start just here, and we're going to go all the way up, squeak, and down again. That's our tortoise's shell. You and Pencil Pencil have a go. Okay, Pencil Pencil. Oh, you're using the colour green too. Yeah, it's a curved line. All the way across, down. Brilliant. Next, we're going to do the bottom of the tortoise's shell. You ready? Okay, it's really easy to do. It's just a line all the way across. Squeak. Then we're going to go back on ourselves. So we're going to do a little curved line here. And then we're going to go all the way back. Doesn't matter if it's not straight. And another curved line and back again. That's our shell of our tortoise. You and Pencil Pencil have a go. That's it, the straight line. And when you get to the end, it's just a curved line and then back on ourselves. Curved line again, all done. Now we're going to draw the tortoise's head and tail. It's really easy to do. It's just a shape like this. So we start here and go round and back on ourselves. That's the tortoise's head. Now we're going to do the tail, and the tail just goes here, a line, and then back on ourselves like that. That's the tortoise's tail. You and Pencil Pencil have a go. Okay, Pencil Pencil, let's do the head. Oh, it looks lovely, perfect. Now let's do the tail. Our drawing's really coming together now. Next, we need to do the tortoise's feet. You ready? We're going to draw 4 feet. Here we go. It's just a shape like this. 1, 2, and 2 more here. 3, 4. That's the tortoise's feet. You and Pencil Pencil have a go. Go on, Pencil Pencil. It's 4 feet. 1. That's brilliant. It's a perfect shape. 2. Yeah, the same shape again. 3. 4. Oh, it looks great. To finish our tortoise, we need to add some detail. I'm going to start by adding some detail to the head of the tortoise. I'm going to draw the eye and the mouth. You ready? Okay, we'll draw the eye. That's just a dot, just like this. And then we're going to do a smile because our tortoise is a happy tortoise. You ready? So we're just going to do a line here, all the way up like that. And then another line, just like that. Oh, brilliant. And now I'm going to add a little bit of detail to the tortoise's shell. And it's going to be kind of squiggly lines. Follow me, and you can do it however you want, but I'm going to do mine like this. Squiggle, it's like a circle sort of squiggle. I'm going to do another one. And then I'm going to do another one here. Just like a line going round in a circle. Can you see that? So random. You don't have to do your shell like this. You can do it however you want. Ooh, it looks great. Okay. That's the tortoise's shell. It looks lovely. You and Pencil Pencil have a go. Okay, Pencil Pencil, let's add the detail to your drawing. We'll start by drawing the tortoise's eye. It's just a dot. Now the smile. It's a curved line, and then a little curved line, Now we're going to add the detail to the tortoise's shell. My design was like a spiral, like a circle going round and round. Do you want to have a go doing that? Okay. Start on the outside and curl your way in. Keep going. It's coming together. I really like it. Keep going. You're nearly there. Round and round and round. Wow, you've finished the detail on the tortoise's shell. Oh, I've loved drawing a tortoise drawing with you and pencil. Are you happy with yours? Good. We need to bring our tortoise drawing to life now, and we're going to use pencil. We need to say, pencil, bring our tortoise drawing to life. You ready? Here we go. Pencil, bring our tortoise drawing to life. Whoa, look at it. I love this shell. And our tortoise is eating some grass. It looks tasty. My tortoise is green and brown. Why don't we go colouring your tortoise together? Did you know tortoises can live up to 150 years old? And they only eat fruit and vegetables. Yes, let's colour in our tortoise together. I can't believe they live to 150 years old and they only eat fruit and vegetables. Wow, they must be really healthy. What colours are you going to use to colour in your tortoise? I'm going to use green, a nice dark green, for the head, the legs and the tail. Let's do that now. Oh, it's nice. Yeah, nice green. You could use brown, you could use whatever colour you want. What colour are you using? Yep, really nice. Make sure you stay in the lines. Okay, now I'm going to colour in the feet. Great, that's 1 foot. The second foot. Lovely. And the last foot there. Look at that. Green, looks really nice. Now I'm going to colour my shell brown, but I've got 2 different shades of brown. I'm going to colour in the main part of the shell a light brown, and then the bottom part I'm going to use the dark brown for. You ready? Okay, here we go. I'm going to use a pencil crayon for this. Look at that. It's a light brown. What colour are you colouring your shell in? You could use any colour. You could colour it in yellow, pink, purple, any colours. The more creative, the better. That's what I say. Okay, I'm colouring in quickly. But you could take more time colouring in your tortoise shell. Okay, can you see that? That's okay. And now I'm going to use the darker shade for the bottom part of the shell. You see that? Pencil keeps moving because keep moving the table with the pencil shakes. It's okay, pencil. All right. Can you see that? I'll try and colour in a bit neater. It's only because I'm trying to speed up so that you can see mine. What do you think to my tortoise drawing? I think it looks really good. How's yours coming along? Perfect. Well, I've loved drawing a tortoise with you and also learning facts about tortoises because I never knew that they could live to, what was it, 150 years old? That's a long time. I've really enjoyed it. Well, if you want to draw it with me and pencil again, look out for my name. You know what my name is, don't you? Yeah, it's Jonny, and you spell it Jonny. Jonny. Bye!